Today we discuss the topic recurrence relations. Recurrence relations for numeric function a0, a1, a2, etc. an is a sequence that express an for n in terms of one or more functions ai. Examples given here are an is equal to an minus 1 plus 3. That is, and a0 is given as a0 is equal to 4. Therefore, a1, here a0 is equal to 4 and a1 is equal to an minus 1. a1 is equal to a1 minus 1, that is a0 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 7. Like that, a2 is equal to a1 plus 3, 7 plus 3 10. So an is equal to an minus 1 plus 3 is a recurrence relation. That is, recurrence relation for numeric function a0, a1, a2, etc. an is an equation that express an for n in terms of one or more of ais. That is, an can be expressed in terms of an minus 1, an minus 2 or an minus 4. Okay. Next example is Fibonacci sequence 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. The recurrence relation corresponding to this Fibonacci series is Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. And the F0 is equal to 0 and F1 is equal to 1 is given. F0 is equal to 0 and F1 is equal to 1. So F2 is equal to, here Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. So F2 is equal to F2 minus 1, that is F1, plus F2 minus 2, that is F0. So F2 is equal to F1 plus F0, that is 0 plus 1 is 0, 1. So the second F2 is also 1. Next F3 is F2 plus F1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. Next is F4, F3 plus F2, 2 plus 1, 3, like that. These are the two examples of recurrence relation. Next, order of recurrence relation. The order of recurrence relation is the difference between largest and smallest subscript in the relation. First example, an is equal to minus 3 an minus 1. Here, the recurrence relation contains an and an minus 1. So, the largest subscript is n and the smallest subscript is n minus 1. Therefore, order is equal to n minus 1. The difference between n and n minus 1, that is equal to 1. Second example, an plus 2 minus an plus 1 minus 2 an is equal to 0. What is the order of this recurrence relation? Here the largest subscript is n plus 2 and the smallest subscript is n, an. So order is n plus 2 minus n is equal to 2. In the third example also, the largest subscript is n plus 2 and the smallest subscript is n plus 1. So the order is n plus 2 minus n plus 1, that is equal to 3. Find first 5 terms of each of the following recurrence relations. First recurrence relation is ak is equal to 2 into ak minus 1 plus k, where k greater than or equal to 2 and the first term a1 is equal to 1 is given. a1 is equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 1. What is a2? ak is equal to 2 into ak minus 1 plus k. So here a2 is 2 into a2 minus 1, that is a1 plus here k, so last term plus k. So 2 plus 2. a2 is equal to 2a1 plus 2. So 2 into a1 is 1, 2 into 1 plus 2, 4. Similarly, a3 is equal to 2a2 plus 3. That is equal to 2 into a2 is 4. 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 11. Similarly, we have to find a4 as 2a3 plus 4. and a5 was 2a4 plus 5, that is equal to 57. Next recurrence relation, ak is equal to ak minus 1 plus 3 into ak minus 2. Here a2 is equal to a2 minus 1 plus 3 into a2 minus 2. So this is equal to a2 is equal to a1 plus 3a0. a1 is given as 2 and a0 as a0 is equal to 1, not equal to 0. Here a0 is equal to 1. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then a3 is equal to a2 plus 3a1. That is 5 plus 3 into 2 equal to 11. a4 is equal to, it is a4 is equal to a4 minus 1 plus 3 into a4 minus 2. That is a3 plus 3a2. So after calculating we get it as 26. Next is recurrence relation, an is equal to n into an minus 1 whole square. a0 is equal to 1 given. Then a1 is equal to a1. So 1 into a1 minus 1 whole square. That is 1 into a0 square, that is 1 square. So a1 is equal to 1. And a2 is equal to a2, what is a2? 2 into a2 minus 1, that is 2 into a1 square, that is equal to 2 into 1 square. So 2. Similarly a3 is equal to 12 and a4 is equal to 576 and a5 is equal to 1,65,880. Next, linear recurrence relations with the constant coefficients. A recurrence relation of the form C0 an plus C1 an minus 1 plus C2 an minus 2 plus etc. plus Ck an minus k is equal to f of n is called a linear recurrence relation. We know that a linear equation with a variable, power of variable 1. Similarly here, power of an is 1, an minus 1 is 1 and an minus 2, etc. Powers of an is 1, then that equation is linear. Homogeneous means f of n equal to 0. F of n equal to 0, then that recurrence relation is homogeneous. Otherwise it is non-homogeneous. Okay. Example, an is equal to 2an minus 1. This relation is linear because the power of an is 1 and an minus 1 is 1. So the relation is linear. Also we have to write it as an minus 2an minus 1 is equal to 0. That is in the right side it becomes 0. So it is a linear homogeneous recurrence relation. Next is an is equal to 3an minus 1 into an minus 1. Here an minus 1 into an minus 1 means 1 plus 1 it is 2. So that is an minus 1 raised to 2. So it is not a linear equation. So it is a non-linear equation. Next is an is equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. So an minus 1 minus an minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear and a homogeneous equation.